With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We release the screws from the top of the device. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Here we have the antenna. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. We remove the plastic protection, which is located at the bottom of the device. Now we remove the speaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We lift the charging port. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.